The Northrop F-5 Freedom Fighter was a lightweight fighter designed for nations who could not afford more expensive and complex aircraft during the 1960s. Designed with two General Electric J85 engines, it had a maximum speed of Mach 1.5. The aircraft had 7 hardpoints and 2 Sparrow Sidewinder missiles could be carried on its wingtips. For ground attack missions, it could carry a range of rockets, missiles, or bombs. During the Vietnam War, the South Vietnamese Airforce were supplied with F-5A and B along with reconnaissance versions. Later they were supplemented with a more advanced Tiger II.